Welcome back to my channel. This is famous Forex Academy. All we do here is share value to you guys and show you guys how to really make money from the Forex market. So today I'm here with this strategy. It's an amazing one. It's an amazing strategy. It's a strategy I've back tested several times and it's been working perfectly fine, and I said let me share it with you guys right here. Okay, so quickly we're just gonna show you how the strategy works, because it's almost time for us to take the trade. So if you're just watching this channel for the first time, I'd like you to subscribe to the channel, share the video, and don't forget to turn on notification so you can always get amazing stuff from us like this. So it's time we can actually take this trade. So okay, I'm just gonna quickly run this live for you to see how this strategy works. So we're gonna open some positions, we sell. Okay, this a live account, a live demo account. So I'm just gonna show you how the strategy works so you can actually use it on your own trade and start making money. So like I was saying, if you are just watching this channel for the first time, or you've been watching the channel and you've not subscribed before, I'd like you to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video with your friends, and leave some sweet comments whenever you use this strategy and it works for you. Just come back and tell us how it went. And don't also forget to turn on your notification so you can always get amazing stuffs whenever we post them online. So this is how this strategy works, guys. This is how this strategy works. But first, I'm going to share with you the settings while this trade is still running. I'll show you this. I'll share with you the settings so you can know how to set them on your own charts and use the strategy, because it's one of a kind. It's a bomb. It's I wouldn't say it's 100% sure, because no strategy is 100% sure, but I can guarantee you that you can win with this strategy 90% of the time. Okay, so firstly, I'm just gonna show you the settings for this strategy. Okay, so what we have here, it's the 2 moving average on the main chart, and the average directional movement on indicator window 1. So on the main chart, the moving average here is period 10, shift -5, method linear weight, apply to close, style is 4 pixel. I'm using blue color. You can use any color of your choice, but make sure it's more visible. Okay, and after that you click done. So the second moving average here, we have the period of 7, shift 5, method linear weights, apply to close, style is 4 pixel, and I'm using red. Make sure you use 2 different colors so you can actually differentiate the 2 moving averages. And after that, done. So the next indicator will be the average directional movement index, which has the period of 1, style of 2 pixel, plus D1 is 2 pixel wide, style is 2 pixel wide, minus D1 is 2 pixel wide. You know why I'm using the white color here? Because I don't actually want the indicator to show on our chart. Okay, I just need the levels. Okay, I don't need the indicator to show, just the levels I need them to show. So if you're using a white background like I'm using, make sure you use white. If you're using a black background, make sure you use black. So the levels here will be level 95, level 50, level 35, and level 5. And after that, you click on done. So the next indicator will be adding here will be on the indicator window 1, which is the third moving average for this strategy. It has a period of 7, shift 5, method is linear weight, apply to close, style is 4 pixel. I'm using red, and you click on done. So now, okay, as you can see, our trade is still running, and we are on profit. So I'm just going to show you how this strategy works. But first of all, I need you to understand that if you're actually trying to scalp boom and crash, okay, you don't just open your charts. Probably like, okay, you've seen, like, I just entered the chart, I just entered the trade now, and probably you might just feel okay whenever you open your chart you can start trading. No, you have to make sure that the conditions are in place, that the conditions are being met before you start making those sell trades. Remember, when you're scalping, if you're scalping boom, it has to be selling. Okay, if you're scalping, except you want to cash backs, that's when you buy. But if you are scalping, make sure you have to sell, and if you're on crash, you're scalping, then you're buying. So this is boom 1000, and this strategy works perfectly on boom 1000 and crash 1000. If you want to trade with this strategy, make sure you use boom 1000 and crash 1000. Not like it can work on other pays, but boom 1000 and crash 1000 are less volatile. Okay, they're not so fast like the other boom and crash pays. So it actually gives you more rooms to actually trade well and make some money, pick few candlesticks, and close the trade. With this strategy, you actually going to cash 20 candlesticks, okay, and you close the trade. Let me just say 10 to 20 candlesticks, but I'm going to show you those positions where you can actually hold for as long as 20 candlesticks, which is 20 minutes, and I'll still show you where you can actually hold for just 10 candlesticks, which is 10 minutes, because it's not really okay for you to hold for long. It's just gonna be a short trade. So now, first of all, okay, after you might have finished adding the indicators, okay, the zoom level here will be after you might have zoom in your chart, sorry, zoom out your chart completely like this, then you just move 1 2 step forward. So after you might have zoomed out your chart completely, you just zoom in just 2 steps forward. So now after you finish doing that, the next step is knowing when you actually have to start selling. So the first thing you need to notice, okay, when you want to scalp with this strategy is, first of all, I had waited for this blue indicator to actually cross the red one like this. Okay, that's before you start selling. Okay, before you start selling with this strategy, that's when, if you are using boom, you sell. You're using crash, you buy. So before you start selling with boom with this strategy, you have to wait for this blue indicator to cross the red indicator, just how you're seeing it right here. Make sure it crosses downwards like this. It's not crossing upwards like this. Okay, if you see it crossing upwards like you're seeing here like this, don't enter the trade. You can only enter the trade and start opening your positions when you see the blue indicator crossing the red one downside like this. Okay, the moment you see the blue indicator crossing this red one to the downside like this, you open your positions and you pick 20 candlesticks and close the trade. Okay, so now I'm going to show you where you can actually hold for as long as 20 candlesticks, which is 20 minutes. This is where you can hold for a long time. Okay, when you see the red indicator here, this the moving average, the MA on your indicator window 1, and once you see the MA on your indicator window 1 going above the level 95 here, okay, that's the overbought level. Okay, once you see this happening, before this can happen, there will actually be a spike. There have to be a spike. Okay, that will actually push the price to this position. Okay, so once you have a spike that pushes the price to this position, and you see the moving average on your indicator window 1 above the level 95 or on level 95, that's it's when you can actually sell and hold for as long as 20 minutes. When once you see this blue indicator crossing the red one to the downside like this, okay, and your MA on your indicator window 1 is above the level 95, you can hold for as long as 20 minutes. It's sure. Okay, this guided strategy, it's sure, and I guarantee you that if you do this 20 times, you're actually going to win at least 17 times, because there are times the market might not really respect your strategy, because there is no strategy that is 100% sure, but there are strategies that are 90% sure, like what I'm showing you guys right now. This is 90% sure. If you try this 20 times in a day, I guarantee you, you're going to win at least 17 times when the setups are in place. You have to make sure that these conditions are being met. You don't just enter the market and you start selling expecting to make money when the conditions are not being in place. You have to make sure that the conditions are in place before you hold up to 20 candlesticks. The moving average on your indicator window 1 must be above the level 95, and you have to wait to see the blue indicator here crossing the red indicator to the downside like this. You open your positions, you pick 20 candlesticks, and you close the trade. But for example, if you open the trade and you see the MA on your indicator window 1 between the level 35 and level 50 here, okay, and you have this condition on your main charts happening, you can sell, but you can just hold for at least 10 minutes. That's the highest you can go. Hold for 10 minutes, that's 10 candlesticks, then you close the trade, because at that point it's not really guaranteed for you to hold for 20 minutes because a spike might come out at that time. Okay, it's the conditions are not perfectly in place, so you can just hold for 10 minutes. But if it's on level 95 or above level 95, guys, just hold for 20 minutes, pick 20 candlesticks, close the trade with profits, and wait for another time where these conditions are in place. You open your trades again, you pick 20 candlesticks, and you close the trade. Guys, this strategy is amazing. It's so powerful. It's so powerful. I've been using this. I've been making the market with this, so I had to come here, share it with you guys, so you guys can actually make money too with this strategy, guys. It's one of a kind. It's a bomb. So share it with your friend, guys. Share the videos with your friend, guys. Let people make money too. Don't be stingy. Don't keep it to yourself. Share it. Let all make money from Forex, because we all came here to make money. Nobody came here to lose money. So guys, this is how the strategy works. It's very, very easy but powerful. So let me backtest and show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay, as you can see here, you see the MA on your indicator window 1 going above the level 95, and you look over your main chart, you see the blue indicator here crossing the red one to the downside. And if you can count here, you can see this is more than 20 candlesticks. It's more than 20 candlesticks. That means you are going to make a whole lot of money if you can hold longer than 20 minutes, but it's guaranteed that 20 minutes is sure. And I will just tell you to hold for 20 minutes. Don't be too greedy. Okay, just hold for 20 minutes, close the market, and you wait for another time these conditions are in place. We can keep going back on, and you can still see the same thing. As you can see, the moving average on your indicator 1 in indicator window 1 is above the level 95, and you look over your main chart, you see the blue indicator crossing the red one to the downside. And as you can see, we had a whole lot of sales down here. Okay, a whole lot of candlesticks you can find there. Guys, we can keep going on and on. As you can see, it keep happening this way. So when once you see the MA on your indicator window 1 going above the level 95, and you look over the main chart, you see the blue indicator crossing the red one to the downside, please guys, just open your position, pick 20 candlesticks. That's 20 minutes. 20 candlesticks is 20 minutes, because each of these candlesticks represents 1 minute. Okay, so when once you see 20 minutes, close your trade. You see 20 candlesticks, close the trade. Guys, this strategy is amazing. It's powerful, guys. It's powerful. So let me just quickly tell you how this works again, guys. If you open your trade, okay, guys, first thing you need to watch out for, okay, you need to watch out these indicators on your main chart. Okay, when once you see the blue indicator on your main chart crossing the red one to the downside like this, that tells you that it's time for you to start selling and pick 20 candlesticks. But before you make sure you pick 20 candlesticks, you have to be sure that the MA on your indicator window 1 is above the level 95. That is when you can only pick 20 candlesticks. But if you find the MA in between the level 35 or level 50, okay, you can only pick 10 candlesticks, because at that point I can't really guarantee you to hold up to 20 minutes. You can just hold for 10 minutes, pick 10 candlesticks, and you close the trade. But if the MA on your indicator window 1 is above the level 95, I guarantee you to pick 20 candlesticks, close the trade, and wait for another time these conditions are in place. Okay, so this is how the strategy works, guys. It's very simple. It's very simple. It's very easy. All you just have to do is just wait for the right time for you to start selling. And one thing again, you need to really understand, for these strategies to be working perfectly fine for you, you need to understand market structure. Okay, you need to understand the market structure. You need to know how to read the market, if the market is on a downtrend or if the market is on is on uptrend, because if you're actually scalping, boom, that means you're selling. So for you to have a successful sales, that means the price has to be on a downtrend, which tells you that the market is actually going down at that moment. So at that point, if you're trying to scalp at that moment, this strategies will always work out perfectly fine for you if you follow the right settings, and you make sure that the conditions are in place, and you open your positions and you start selling. But if you find a boom market on an uptrend, which happens that there's so many spikes, because before a market can be on uptrend, that means that there are so many spikes happening, because it's these spikes that are actually pushing the market up. So when you see a boom market on an uptrend, it's not really advisable for you to scalp at that moment. You have to be patient enough to wait to see when this markets are on downtrend. Okay, so that's why in forex you have to be patient. You have to be patient. If the prices, if the prices are not in your place of interest, I just advise you stop trading at that point till when the market is at your places of interest, which is actually what you are actually waiting for. Okay, so when it happens like that, you can start trading with this strategy, and I guarantee you are going to make a whole lot of money. So far you follow the right settings, and also make sure that the conditions are being met. So guys, please, I would like you to like the video. Please like the video, share the video with your friends. Let everybody make money with this strategy, because I'll be milking the market with this strategy. Use it, guys. Use it, guys. It's working perfectly fine. If you're doubting it, you can always practice it on your demo account. When you're more comfortable, you can move to your real account and start using this strategy to make money for yourself. So guys, please don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, don't forget to share the video, and don't forget to turn on your notification to always get amazing stuffs like this, because all we post here are amazing strategies that will help you make money in forex market. So please, you can check on the description page. You'll see a link to my WhatsApp number. Okay, stay linked to my WhatsApp number. You can talk to me directly if you have challenges in your forex trading, or probably you need someone to mentor you, need someone who can teach you and mold you in becoming a professional trader. Chat me up and let's talk business. And if you're also blowing your account, and you've been struggling in making money in forex, and you need someone to manage your account, just chat me up to let's talk. I can manage your account and make good profits for you. And also on the description page, you see a link to my Telegram group, a free Telegram group where we drop strategies like this, and we also drop signals for people for your daily trading. And also we have a VIP group which we drop 3 to 4 signals a day, depending from time vibes, and it always profitable signal, not just signals people get in and lose money. It's profitable. You can check on the description page, check out the link, and you will see the results of the trades we. All right guys, so as you can see, this is our trade. As you can see, this was our entry, and you can see how long this market has fallen. So if you want to count this, you can see that it's up to 40 candlesticks, but I'm just allowing it to run because it's a demo account. So as you can see, we are on $44 already. So guys, if you're actually using this strategy, please don't hold longer than 20 minutes. I advise you to hold just for 20 minutes. Okay, when it's 20 minutes, that's 20 candlesticks, you close your trade. So as you can see guys, this strategy, it's a bomb, is one of a kind, is working perfectly fine. So please advise you to share this video with your friends. Let everyone use this strategy and make money on forex, guys. Please don't be stingy with it. Share it, let all make money on forex, because this strategy is a bomb, guys. I guarantee you that whenever you use this strategy, it's 90% sure. If you use this strategy 10 times in a day, you're actually going to milk the market 8 times. Okay guys, because I won't lie, strategy, it's 100% sure. Most times the market don't respect your strategy. It happens like that, but it's 90% sure, guys. Use it on your own trades, make money, share the video, and let others also make money too. So guys, thanks for watching the video. See you some other time. Bye.